Hey, this is Tyler from SlickText. In this video, I'm going to show you how to better target your audience by creating segments from your contact data. Contacts in SlickText can be organized into lists and segments. Lists are static folders you place contacts in. When you assign a contact to a list, they'll stay on that list until you choose to take them off. Segments are dynamic and contain contacts based on parameters set. This can include location, custom fields, or whether or not they clicked on a link included in a previous campaign. If a contact no longer fits the parameters set, they'll automatically be removed from the segment. Let's say I run a retail chain with multiple locations. I might have a separate list of contacts for each store's unique specials. If I want to send a campaign to everyone 25 years and older who lives on the West Coast, I can create a segment for my audience. As my contacts hit their 25th birthday, they'll be added to the segment automatically. Let's create my 25 and up segment together. Click on Segments under Audience. Click on Create Segment. We'll call this segment 25 plus West Coast. Start by choosing a property to segment your contacts by. You'll see that all of the standard contact fields are here, but if you scroll down, notice you can also segment based on custom fields, list membership, click data, and campaign data. I'm going to select age. Obviously, you'll need to have your contacts' birthdays in order for this example to apply to you. Now we'll select a condition. I'm looking for contacts who are 25 and older, so we'll select is greater than or equal to and type 25. If you want to expand this segment to include even more contacts, you can add an or statement. For example, I want to make sure that I include anyone on this list that I don't have a birthday on file for, so I'll select age is not known. If you want to narrow this list down to exclude some people, add an and statement. I want this segment to only include people on the West Coast. I can include state is California, Oregon, and Washington. Now, in order to be included in this segment, you have to at least be 25 or not have your birthday stored in SlickText, and your address must be in one of these 3 states. If I click the Save drop-down, I can save this segment, save and view the list of contacts included, or save and jump right into composing a new campaign for this segment. Texting is a very personal way for brands to communicate with their audience. Using segments allows you to speak to subsets of your audience specifically and effectively. Plus, you won't be using any text messages on subscribers that won't find a message relevant. For more information on building lists and segments, check out our Help Center. As always, feel free to reach out to our support team. We love to talk to our customers.